Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Atlantis. First, you must journey to the mystical Atlantis zone, a vast underwater realm. Once there, your primary objective is to find the ancient Kraken shrine. This sacred location is typically concealed within a hidden cavern, requiring keen exploration skills. To proceed, you will need a unique artifact or key to activate the shrine's power. Next, prepare for the ritual by gathering essential components. You'll need to collect 3 rare Atlantean orbs, which are dropped by specific, powerful deep-sea creatures. Additionally, complete the Whispers of the Deep questline, a series of tasks given by the Wise Elder of Atlantis. Finally, secure the legendary Trident of Poseidon, a powerful artifact crucial for the next stage. Now, it's time for the summoning ritual. Carefully place the 3 Atlantean orbs onto their designated pedestals around the shrine. Then, wield the Trident of Poseidon and channel its immense energy directly into the shrine's core. This action will awaken the formidable guardian of the depths, whom you must defeat in a challenging battle to prove your worth. After your victorious battle against the guardian, the magnificent Kraken Atlantis will emerge from the depths. Approach the newly summoned creature and interact with it to forge a powerful bond. This legendary companion will not only grant you access to powerful new abilities, but also provide swift and unparalleled travel across the vast oceans. Enjoy your incredible new ally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.